Happy birthday, Oliver. Salamat sa support, especially sa mates ko na lagi mong pinapadala sa akin. At lagi mong tatandahan, Ber. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you, Ber. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Hi, Bel. Thank you sa pag-alala mo sa lagi sa amin. Lagi kang mag-ingat. I love you. Happy birthday. Ang labo po. Salamat. Mama. Thank you.
Kuya kong Macho, happy birthday. Stay humble and kind. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa life mo. Sana marami pa tayong samahan. I love you, Kuya. Thank you, bro. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. Thank you for always being supportive and caring. May God bless you with many more wonderful years. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Hi, Tito po. We have a wonderful day here. There's a wonderful day in your town. Since we all love you, since the whole family was born, we still love you until today. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Ingat palagi. Thank you sa support mo sa amin, especially kay Loben. Sana po marami ka pang birthday na darating at lagi kong mag-ingat, especially sa work ko. Happy birthday again, Kuya.
Oli, happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-alaga. Ano kong maganda.
O, di ba? Sino yun?
Ikaw,
Anong pangalan ko?
ate.
Ate.
Happy birthday, Oli. Bye-bye.
Brother Oli, greetings and happy birthday from London. Happy 21st birthday. And maraming salamat for looking after our Inday. You know, being with Inday, you already have a partner and you also have a Chimay. Happy birthday.
Oli, happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your special day and sana ilibre ka ni Angie sa birthday mo. Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa aming kapatid. Alam ko masakit sa ulo pero pagtiisan mo lang. Again, happy birthday!
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday.
Hi, Oliver! Sa nag-iisang bebe ng Efren ko, happy birthday! First of all, I'd like to take this chance to thank you and let you know that Fred and I really appreciate you for taking time to drive us and taking us to our food trips. Salamat sa kwentuhan, sa tawanan, and thank you for making my Efren always happy, for taking care of her. On your birthday, I wish that the Lord would grant all the desires of your heart. Stay strong, healthy, happy, and blessed in all aspects. Happy birthday. Have a great time.
What's up, paring Oliver? Kamusta na ba ang Golden Boy? Anyway, I just want to grab this opportunity to greet you on your special day and to thank you as well for sharing and spending your time and effort whenever we go back to the Philippines for a vacay. You guys are really awesome. Palagi nyo kami dinadala kung saan, sa mga lugar kung saan masasarap ang pagkain. My God, di namin makalimutan yung food trip natin. And of course, most of all, thank you so much for sharing all the laughters and memories with us. Enjoy your special day. Happy 50th birthday. Stay blessed and most of all, share the blessings, pray.
Hey, Oliver. Happy 50th birthday. Sana enjoy mong special day mo with your loved ones. Stay healthy and, of course, wealthy. That's very important. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Sir Oli. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, and continuous blessings. May God guide and bless you always. Enjoy your special day.
Happy 50th birthday, Sir Oli. Pasensya na po at hindi ako nakapunta due to a prior commitment. My HR career started because you believed in me, and I'm truly grateful for the trust that you gave. Thank you for continuing to be a blessing and inspiration to so many people, including mine, even without you knowing it. Enjoy your special day po with AJ, your family, and friends. Again, happy birthday, Sir Ollie.
Hi Boss Ollie, happy 50th birthday! Grabe, 50 years old ka na pala ngayon. Buti na lang, mukha ka lang 49. So, na-miss ko na yung bonding natin dati, yung pag-coffee break, yung kwentuhan. So, sana maulit natin ulit yon, magkaroon ulit tayo ng bonding with Sir Jerry and Daddy Vic. So, enjoy your day and happy birthday, boss!
Brother, pasensya na, hindi kami makapunta, no? Happy birthday. 50 ka na rin. Ano ba? Pares na tayong 50. Naalala ko, first time kita nakilala, long hair ka pa nun, no? Nakalaki ng katawan, no? Long hair. Ako naman, mataba na ako nun, pero may hair naman ako nun, no? Ngayon, short hair ka, ako naman no hair. Pero magkaibigan pa rin, no? Kahit may mga puti-puti na sa balbas. God bless you, my brother. May you continue to be showered with His blessings. Please continue to be the good man that you are. Many more blessings, pare. Ang tandaan lagi, no? Boy circle for life. Please take care. Happy birthday ulit.
Paring Oliver, happy 50th birthday, pare. Tanda mo na. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na isa ka talaga sa mga tunay kong kaibigan. Buo tayo magkumpare. More than 20 years na tayo magkakilala, magkaibigan. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin. And ikaw isa sa mga pinaka-taong pinagkakatiwalaan ko at pinakamamahal ko. Basta't kailangan mo kami, andito lang kami for you, pare. And always know that you're a special person. Happy 50th birthday. Malaking ano yan. Milestone for you. Okay, ako wala pa ako doon. Nauna ka na. Okay, sige pare ko. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Kamusta sa family? We love you. Kamusta sa amin nila Ziggy and Mex?
Oli, uy, kamusta ka na? Balita ko, 50 anyos ka na. Totoo ba? Tumatanda na tayo. Pero anyway, my apologies for not being able to attend your celebration of your 50th year in this planet. Been a long time that nagkita tayo. I think it was the last days of the pandemic in 2021. Mabilis ang panahon, ano? Anyway, hope to see you someday again and hopefully share common things that we used to share while we were together in Concentrics. Hopefully, you'll be more adept in your current job, as well as in good health and in good spirit. Remember, if all things comes to worse, remember to implement order number 66. May the force be with you. Ingat lang, Ollie, and stay safe, healthy, and happy all the time.